how to make oiled filled capsules. For this lab, you will need 20 capsules size number 1, 2.2 grams of cornstarch, 0.22 grams of silica gel, 8.4 milliliters of olive oil, a capsule machine, capsule loader, balance, mortar and pestle, 2 10 milliliter syringes, a syringe cap, and a lure-to-lure syringe connector. The therapeutic uses for these are the same as any other capsule, but because they're filled with oil, they absorb faster, are easier to manufacture, and are better to use with insoluble drugs that can't be formed into tablets. This formula has already been calculated for a 10% excess. However, because we are only making 20 and this formula was written for 100, we need to multiply each ingredient by 0.2. This is a picture of the capsule machine we'll be using. This machine makes 100 capsules, but today we'll only be making 20. The white plate in which you load the capsules is called the adjustment plate. It has a glass top that is held on by twisting the 4 black knobs into place. The 2 black pieces on the front are called thumb screws. The capsule loader is not pictured, but this sits on top of the adjustment plate when the glass is removed and makes it easier to load your capsules. The capsule size determines what adjustment plate you use. For this lab, we are using size 1 capsules, so we need the adjustment plate with 2 notches that are close together. These are what the notches look like on the machine we will be using today. When you attach the capsule loader, it is important to line up the notches on top of the capsule loader with the notches on the adjustment plate. This will make it easier to take apart the capsules and fill them up later on. Place the capsule loader on top of the adjustment plate. Count out 20 capsules and place them in the capsule loader. Once done, pull the top part of the capsule loader towards you to drop them into the capsule machine. Now you must separate the capsules. Tighten the thumb screws and secure the glass plate by turning the 4 black knobs. Place your thumbs on top of the blue pieces and push up on the top white plate to separate the capsules. Set the top part aside. Make sure the capsule halves are pushed all the way down so they can be filled once the mixture is prepared. Now it's time to start preparing the mixture. First, weigh out 2.2 grams of cornstarch. Next, weigh out 0.22 grams of silica gel. Place the silica gel and cornstarch into a mortar and mix thoroughly. Use one of the syringes to draw up 8.4 milliliters of olive oil. Take the second syringe and remove the plunger. Place a black rubber tip cap on the syringe. Place 2 milliliters of olive oil from the first syringe into this syringe. Place the silica gel and cornstarch mixture into this syringe on top of the olive oil. Place the remaining olive oil from the first syringe into the second syringe with the silica gel cornstarch mixture. Place the plunger back into this syringe as far as possible. Shake the syringe, holding on to the plunger and the barrel until all powders have been wetted. Place the lure-to-lure connector on the syringe and connect the 2 syringes together. Mix the compound back and forth between them until it's mixed thoroughly. Once mixed, push all the compound into one syringe and remove the empty syringe. To fill the capsule, place the tip of the syringe inside and fill until the indentation around the top of the capsule base. Careful, it likes to come out quick. Once all the capsules are filled, it's time to put them together. Loosen the thumb screws and place the capsule tops back onto the machine. Push the 2 white plates together to lock the capsules into place. Lift off the top plate and remove your capsules. Here's a look at the finished product. Some important counseling points regarding these capsules is that they must be swallowed whole. If you have a patient that has difficulty swallowing a capsule, advise them to put it on the back of their tongue before drinking a liquid. They could also open and empty the contents onto food such as applesauce. Because these capsules are filled with oil, it is possible they might leak, so it is important to store them in the freezer. However, they can be stored in the fridge short term. The beyond use date is estimated to be 90 days after compounding, so be sure to use them before then or else you'll be stuck with some bad medicine.